Good evening. Carol's here in my art room. Tonight I thought I would do a negative pour and go over my mixing and my recipe that I use that I'm really stuck on and really like and happy with. So I use, oops, where's my Zinsser? I use Zinsser, and I love Zinsser. I mix it with my paints, 4 parts paint to 1 part Zinsser. And I'm happy with it. I always get good results. It dries perfectly smooth. And that's all there is to it. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've got my colors. I use Artist Loft white, and I have some yellow that I've mixed up with a little bit of white. I also have some Deco Art, Pure Pumpkin, and Deep Turquoise. This is acrylic paint, and Deco Art, like a peachy color. And I also have a bit of house paint, and it's like a taupey grayish color. So I'm going to get started, and I've mixed up my white, and I try to do it in these little glasses. So I've got 4 tablespoons of white paint in here. I add a tablespoon of my Zinsser, and I mix it up really, really well. That's good consistency. I'm going to add a little bit more water. I just add water as needed. And I think that's pretty good. Okay, I got to add my my silicone, and I've tried dimethicone. It works on in some paints and some pours, but I always seem to come back to my WD-40 in a jar. So I spray it in here, and I use this to take out some, and I add it to my paint. So I'm going to add 2 drops to this little bit. And I'm not going to add any to my white. Okay, so I'm going to aim the camera down at the canvas in a second. I just wanted to make a comment that I love doing these videos and helping people get started with acrylic pouring. I've been doing some string pouring recently, and I need a break from the string pouring. I'm going to go back to some flip cups and maybe some puddle pours, which I love, and swirl pours. Anyway, so if you like my videos, please subscribe and like and hit the bell, and then I'll do more that you like, and you'll get notifications when I do more. So let's get started. I don't know if you saw my paints when I was doing my little talk, because camera was on me, but here's my Artist Loft paint and my Deco Art pumpkin, and this is my paint that I was stirring in my cups. I don't think you saw what I was doing. That was kind of silly of me, wasn't it? Anyways, 4 tablespoons in here of paint, tablespoon of my Zinsser, which is this, and it's a latex extender, like does the same thing as Floetrol. It does what I need it to do. It dries my paintings to dry nice and smooth. So I'm going to pour some white in here. Put my glasses back on. I think I'll go with some turquoise, and I've added my WD-40 in here. I don't think you probably didn't see it, because I thought I was aiming it at the camera and I wasn't. I added 2 drops of each in here. Oops. Some yellow. Some of my taupey gray. Now I'll show you now. This is what I do. I take my WD-40, it's in a spray can. Spray it in this jar in a ventilated area. And then it's in here in liquid. And then I just use this to add to my paints. I'll add another drop to my turquoise. I don't even know if I stirred it enough. Yeah, I stirred it. Alright, so I'll add some more turquoise. But this recipe gives me good luck all the time. Just works for me. I started out using the glue wall and the Zinsser together, and it worked fine too. And I thought, well, why do I need glue? I tried it without the glue, and it worked. So it's paint. It's just like putting paint on a wall. Exactly the same, because that's what they use to spray paint on a wall to help it flow evenly. Okay. I think, oops, maybe the pink. These are just kind of Eastery colors I'm trying tonight. Oops, a little bit of yellow. I don't want too much yellow overtaking. I should have made more turquoise, maybe. I love turquoise. It's one of my favorite colors. Yep. I have a painting that I showed before, and this was done with Zinsser and paint, and it's smooth as anything, just dried really nice. This is probably, I think that's WD-40. Okay. I'm going to do a negative space. I'll see how much I need, but I don't like it when it's too thick. I want it to run. Okay, I'll pour a little bit around the edge. a little bit here. I think I'm going to go on an angle, so a little bit up here. All right. I think that should be good. I can't really lift the canvas up, so I'm just gonna, what should I do? No. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. I was gonna add a little more white on top. That was, there we go. There we go. I'm ready. Woo! I really made that look marbly. Well, this time I won't take it away from the camera. Get some over here. I like it when it stripes like that. Okay, I need some paper towel. Well, those are pretty colors. I just need a little bit more here. Okay. So use some sides. I can touch up the sides off camera, but that's just take some white paint and go around the edges just to fill it in, make them look nice. It'll dry pretty smooth. I took my heat gun. Try this. Whoa, that nice pink is coming through. I don't think I want to do too many more. I think it looks great the way it is. I'll try tilting it this way a little bit. Okay, well that's my video for tonight, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna show you a little closer. There we go. Zoom it in a bit maybe. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. There you go. And thanks for coming by. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, because this is what I love to do and I love to share with people. Subscribe and like. If you like, that means I know you like what I just did, and I will do more. Comment below. Leave me a comment. Ask me a question. And hit the bell, and that way you'll get notifications when I do another one. And it'll inform you. All right? Have a great day, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.